Juliet, Juliet. Honolulu, 6, Japan, Japan, calling and standing by.
This is Zulu 35 Oscar. This is Zulu 35 Oscar.
Zulu 35 Ocean, good evening, nice to meet you. My name is Juha, like Juliet, Uniform, Honolulu Alpha. Your report 56. My QTH is 300 kilometers north of Helsinki. The Zulu 35 Ocean, this is Ocean Hotel 6, Juliet, Juliet.
Oscar Hotel number 6, Juliet. Juliet, this is Zulu 35. Oscar, good evening, Juha. My name is Goran, like Golf, Oscar, Radio, Alpha, November. You are coming 5-9 plus in Skopje, capital of Macedonia. QSL.
Yes, QSL Goran, all copied. And I am using about 800 watts here. And the multiband unit. The antenna is beaming to the south. We have here a nice summer evening. The temperature is approximately plus 17. Zulu 35 Ocean. This is Ocean Hotel 6, Juliet, Juliet. Microphone, back to you.
Oscar Hotel 6, Juliet, Juliet. This is Zulu 35 Oscar. Okay, Juha, I'm working with homebrew radio transceiver with only 2 watts in the air. And my antenna is high gain vertical. It's multiband high gain antenna, and probably that is why my signal goes back to Finland. And I think this is QSL. Going back to you, Mike.
Yeah, thank you, Goran. Thank you. All copied, all copied. Have a nice evening. 23, thanks for the QSL. The Zulu 35 Ocean. This is Ocean Hotel 6, Juliet, Juliet. 73, bye-bye.
Ocean Hotel 6, Juliet, Juliet, Zulu 35 Oscar. Thank you very much, Juha, for your patience. And 73, and goodbye.
Yeah, thank you. 73, bye-bye. Florida 4, Hotel Kilowatt Echo.